Hello, welcome back to my new lecture. In previous video, we have seen the identifiers, keywords, comments, and also see the indentation. So in this video, we will be see the some basic rules of the Pythons, how to Python used, how we will be write the code, the way of writing the code. I am from the Salesforce dealers team, so let's start. So get more information about it. You can also see to our website. The website is the Salesforce dealers.com and get the information from this website. Okay, so let's open. Ideally, if you want to take the input, as already previously seen that this print is used to print any message. Hello world. C is using for the print any message. So if you want to take the input from the user, so here is the writing first how to write, how to take assign the value. It is a A23 is taking the value. If you want to check how which type of the A is type is a A. So it is an integer. According to the value, the variable is converted automatically their corresponding value. If I assign the 23 into the A, it means it is an integer type. If I assign a 22, 23.33, 23.33, so it means it's a type of integer. It's a type of float. Okay, it's a float. If I assign hello, it's a type of string. The str, it is a string. There are no support of character, so all this thing in this Python, it is a string. You can also take the single noted comma and print. It's also type. If you check the type, it will be a str. If you assign a tier true, it's a type. Checking the type that it is a boolean type. If I assign this thing, it's mean it is a type of complex. Make sure that you only use a J alphabet. You cannot use any other. If you are doing this, it will be raise the error. So let's see. I taking the L, so it is a invalid. You can only take the J as a to define any complex number. Okay. So here is it is the type to define the it's a type to assign any value into the variable. You can also use like that A equals to B equals C D E F G. So 23. It's mean A B C D E F G. It all will be in a select by the 23. Okay, guys. So let's take the how to take the any value from the user at the runtime. So taking the input, you can also give the message here. Enter anything. So type anything. Let's check. It's a str. Okay. Again, we are taking the input. If I give the number, then it will be so. Again, it's a str because the input is a belong from the string family. So that is why it's always check the string value. If you want to change the value, then you have to typecast the input. So what will you do for that? So take the integer. It's int. It's mean it will take the value, input the take the value, and it will be converted into the integer, and it will be assigned to a. Let's see. The now it will be checked that is the integer type. Okay, guys. You can also take float. It's a type of float. See, if you str, it doesn't mean why are you declaring the str, because take the input in the state of str, because the input is the belong from the string family. So we don't need to give the don't need to typecast the string. So we have to use the input for that. Okay, guys. So when you don't have information that what the value is given by the user, you don't know about the value the user is given. So you can, so how you will be typecast? It's maybe user given the integer, also given the float, string, and it's also maybe it's given the boolean number. So don't if you don't have a correct information about it, so give a eval. Okay, guys, using a eval input. Eval, what the eval work? If you are given the string number, then if you are given the string, it will be automatically converted to string, and it will assign it to the age. See, let's check the type, the str. Okay, guys, if you are, let's open the command. If you are, if you are given a integer number, then it will be automatically typecast. It's a type conversion by the system. It's mean it's an integer. If you are given the 33.33, it will be automatically assigned that it is a float. If you are given a true, then it will be automatically assigned that it is a boolean. So eval we use when you don't have information what the values are given by the user. Okay, guys. There is in the Python language there is a auto memory management. There are you don't worry about to give the space to the any variable. It will be automatically assigned. It is automatically managed by the Python. If you are giving like this number, it is a very big number, then it will be true. Okay, guys. If I give a 56, the power of 56, so giving this number. So you don't worry about it. This operator, I will be discuss the operator in the later videos. So don't worry about it. If I given this, so power of, so power that, so it is a very big number. So it is take the time to print the output. So let's see this some small number. See, you can also save this value into any variable. So see, here we have C. If you want to get the how much size it takes uh, to to seed this value, so import sys dot get size of a. It's mean taking the 1518 bit to store this value. Okay, guys, here is a basic program of uh, it's the basic things of the Python. So I think you have learned about it, how the uh, Python will be used. I hope you have learned lots of things from this video. So thanks for watching video. Thank you.